Welcome to Solar Basics at Home. I'm Kelsey Misbrenner, Senior Editor with Solar Power World.
And I'm Kelly Pickerel, Editor-in-Chief.
If you're in the solar industry, you've probably seen the word Tier 1 used to describe solar panels. But what does that actually mean?
The tiered classification was first developed by Bloomberg New Energy Finance to show banks which panel manufacturers were legitimate and trustworthy. But the term has morphed into a marketing buzzword that solar customers may confuse with reliability.
Tier 1 modules are just those that are used in a lot of projects. It has almost nothing to do with reliability or performance. Nearly all established solar companies are considered Tier 1.
Bloomberg does not publish Tier 2 or Tier 3 lists, so any sub-tiered lists out there are just made-up marketing terms.
It's also important to note that BNEF's tiered system ranks manufacturers and not specific panel lines. Tier 1 doesn't mean the panels are the best performing modules on the market.
Bloomberg says that although manufacturers use their tier standing in advertisements, this classification should never replace a proper due diligence process in product selection.
One East Coast residential installer we talked to said that it bases panel buying choices on what's available through distributors and which manufacturers offer the best warranties.
Green Brilliance USA, a Virginia solar installer trying to set up its own panel manufacturing outfit, thinks the tier classification is a setback for startups. According to unofficial industry standards, manufacturers can't break into the top tier until they've been producing many panels used in many large projects. So no matter how great the panels are, they won't be considered Tier 1 until they've been used in projects. And some customers won't use panels unless they're labeled Tier 1. It's a bit of a catch-22.
Green Brilliance says customers should seek out panel manufacturers that use high-quality materials rather than basing their panel choice on the Tier 1 rating alone.
The solar industry's tiered system of ranking module manufacturers may be antiquated at this point, but its legacy still lives on.
Whether a company can support third-party warranties has become a more generalized way to recognize reliable solar panels. But installers not requiring extended warranties should keep an open mind to innovative solar panel startups to find the best fit for projects.
For more on solar panels, read our story online and stay tuned for the next Solar Basics videos.